thruway, there are miles and miles of car carriers that they've been adding to. There has to be 30 miles of them right now sitting on the track since before Christmas.
And like I said, this thing is massive. We don't wake up. Some people on YouTube might say, well, you know, I'm just paranoid and whatnot, but again, state the facts. They built FEMA camps. That's a fact. Look at what Glenn Beck said. Glenn Beck came on TV, said he can't debunk these damn things. He can't debunk the FEMA. I gotta cut it for now. I'll try and get back to it, get some more footage, see how far down this thing goes, see if it looks different from that point down there to this point, see if they've begun refitting it with benches or what they've done. But I'm telling you right now, this camera will give me a break. Alright, camera shot, guys, but this thing ain't right. This is not a normal train, not for this city. It's easier getting up than it is getting down, that's for sure, especially when your fingers are numb. I mean, you can see this thing just goes on for miles. Look, I mean, that's a good mile and a half up there. Try and get on the other side. Yeah, man. Kodak left. So did all the other businesses in Rochester. This is a ghost town. Ghost city. Ain't nobody here. Ain't no factories really here. Ain't no reason for this thing here. This massive train at this refitting station. It's huge. I'm gonna turn the camera off again. Actually, no, I'll leave it on. Just jog down here. You know, start counting. This thing is huge. Count how many cars there are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I can count 23 right now. Just from my view here. All the people on YouTube fighting about whatever the hell they're fighting about. Religion, skin color, race. You guys gotta shut up, bite the bullet, stop hating each other, and unite. If you don't start uniting, you're not gonna like the future laid out for us by these guys. Look at this thing, man. Still running. This thing does not end. This thing is huge.
Seem to be increasing in length. And my
Are you wait a minute, car carriers, are you talking about on the road, off the road?
No, they're on the railroad tracks, pulled over to the side of the tracks on the spare tracks. Mm-hmm. And they're actually car carriers. And I think it's for dead bodies. I think it's pre-positioning. I do know a Pakistani diplomat who has recently left the Albany area, who I knew personally, who told me that America is no more, that he's leaving. He took a child out of a local school in the middle of the school year to leave. He is a player. He knows a lot of very important people, I know for a fact, and he has left the area, has left the country. So I do think that something's going on very sinister. No one will convince me of anything other than that. I've been watching this for 8 months trying to warn people, And there are many agencies that are aware, and they are just not willing to do anything about it from what I see. I mean, I'm nobody. They might be doing something about it that I don't know, but they've been made aware of everything you're hearing.
Thank you very much, Mary, for calling in from New York. I really do appreciate your doing this. Whoa. Oh, it gives me goosebumps.
Turn whatever they're spraying on and off right before our eyes. I mean, you'll see a plane up there flying like normal, and then all of a sudden it starts spraying. We've seen them fly off into the distance and then loop around and fly back again. These are not your typical planes with a preordained path destination from city to city. Someone needs to explain to me why do they stop traveling in one particular direction and then loop around and come back again. They perform this behavior so many times that we start seeing the tic-tac-toe grids in the sky.